Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to another episode where we break down the essentials of managing your digital assets. Today, we're tackling how to transfer Bitcoin from Ledger Nano X to KuCoin in 2025. If you're looking to move your Bitcoin for trading, staking, or just better management, this step-by-step guide will have you sorted in no time. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you have everything ready. You'll need a Ledger Nano X hardware wallet with Bitcoin stored on it and a verified KuCoin account. Remember, security is key in crypto, so double-check that your devices are secure and you're in a safe environment. Step 1. Connect your Ledger Nano X to your computer via USB and open the Ledger Live app. If you haven't already, install the Bitcoin app on your device by going to the app catalog in Ledger Live and selecting Bitcoin. Once that's done, unlock your Ledger with your PIN. Next, head over to KuCoin. Log into your account and navigate to the Assets section. Find Bitcoin and click on Deposit. This will generate a unique deposit address for you. Copy it carefully, as this is where your Bitcoin will go. Pro tip: always verify the address by comparing it on both devices to avoid any mix-ups. Now, back to your Ledger. In Ledger Live, select the Bitcoin account and choose Send. Enter the amount you want to transfer, paste the KuCoin deposit address, and review the transaction details. You'll see a confirmation screen on your Ledger device. Carefully check everything before approving it with your PIN. After you confirm, the transaction will be broadcast to the blockchain. In 2025, with faster networks, this might take just a few minutes, but keep an eye on fees to ensure it's efficient. Once it's confirmed, check your KuCoin account to see your Bitcoin arrive. A quick word on safety: always use official apps and websites, enable two-factor authentication, and never share your private keys. If you're new to this, start with a small amount to practice. And there you have it. You've successfully transferred Bitcoin from your Ledger Nano X to KuCoin. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto tips. What's your next crypto move? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and stay secure out there.